Move on.
Yeah, we're not wearing any, heavy uniforms today.
There we go. What a transition.
Short sleeves.
Yes.
I brought my mules out today, my sandals.
Okay.
Oh.
I figured why not for one day.
For
one day.
one day.
Put them back in the closet.
Hey, but it's February though.
Yeah.
And so are we looking to set a record today, Kaylee?
Yeah, Stephen. In fact, this could be the warmest February day ever in Ohio history. I mean, we're forecasting highs in the mid-70s. So back in the day, a couple years ago, we saw a high of 71. Not the case for today. Going to be even warmer. In fact, we could break that record high by lunchtime. Now, there's a lot to get into, so let's get into this really quickly. Your dog walking forecast for today, most of the day will be dry. However, I'm going with the yellow paw because there is a chance for some strong winds at times, but otherwise, that mixture of sunshine and clouds and seeing temperatures in the 70s. So sweet little Diesel right here. Yes, you can get outside, but just make sure if you are a smaller dog that your owner is holding onto your leash because you could be blowing from side to side. But let's get right into this. The Storm Prediction Center has issued a level 2 slight risk for a good portion of Ohio, southern Michigan, the entire state of Indiana, Kentucky, Illinois, and also into Missouri. So what does that mean? Again, things are quiet for most of the day for today. Radar is just showing a few of those spotty showers starting to develop, but we're really tracking those strong winds already picking up. Coming in from the south around 20 to almost 30 miles an hour. And as far as those temperatures, it's already a mild start to your day. In fact, some places seeing temperatures already in the 60s, Port Clinton and Fremont, already at 60 degrees for this morning. So you can leave your heavier jackets, even your light jackets at home, because it's going to be a mild day. So again, most of your Tuesday, it's going to be windy and warm. There's that record warmth with highs in the mid 70s, but then those showers will really start to develop later on tonight. And our biggest concern will be those strong winds and that potential for hail around 1.5 inches in diameter is possible. So again, later on this evening, into those nighttime hours, into early Wednesday morning. Biggest concerns, wind gusts over 50 miles an hour are possible. There's that large hail. As far as that tornado threat, it's not zero. However, it is still fairly low, but that tornado threat is still certainly possible, which is why we have issued that alert day. So looking ahead towards the rest of the day, seeing that mixture of sunshine and clouds, the more sunshine we see, the higher the instability in the atmosphere could be. So that could produce some stronger storms later on tonight. Those clouds pick on up throughout the evening, and then later on tonight, we'll start to see some of those showers develop overnight and into those early morning hours for Wednesday. Stopping this at 5 a.m., we're seeing pockets of that very heavy rain. So again, that's when we'll be seeing some really strong storms possible early Wednesday morning. But then after that, those showers move on out of here. And because that cold front, temperatures will dip back down. We see a 60-degree temperature difference between today and also tomorrow. And along with that, tracking some strong winds throughout most of the day for today. Again, we're seeing wind gusts possible anywhere between about 30 to 50 miles an hour. So again, that alert day in place throughout the entire day for today. Tomorrow, things will calm down, but also cool down as well. Temperatures go from the mid-70s today to the mid-50s on Wednesday to the 40s on Thursday. In fact, Thursday morning will be chilly, but at least we will be seeing some sunshine warming back up for the end of the week. And by the weekend, not only is it a sunny Sunday, it's also a sunny Saturday. So guys, it's gonna be a sunny and warm weekend on the way.
Ooh, we'll look forward to that.
Looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to 74 today, but I would prefer it on Thursday. Just because it's historic.
Leap day?
It's leap day, it's historic,
I'm good with it any day.
Any day? Oh.
As long as, especially since the weekend is looking as good as it is.
Weekend does look good. Well.